In this video, we are going to see two functions in FCP. One is overwrite and second one is replace. These two functions will help you to add clips from your browser, but not just adding, you can overwrite or replace the one which is in the timeline with a clip from browser or from Finder. So let's see how we are going to do that. To overwrite a clip, first thing what we need to do is we need to select where we need to replace or overwrite it. That we are deciding with the help of this playhead. So if I keep the playhead over here and if I try to overwrite, the overwriting start position starts from where your playhead is. So I'm going to overwrite the one which is here. This is the source and here it is a target. I'm going to replace the target with this source media. I need to just press on the D key on your keyboard so that the replacement will happen. Let's see, I'm going to press on D. You see the difference? The clip has come over here. You can see the orange line on the clip, which means that it is selected. The clip has come here. So what happened? The clip source file exactly replaced a portion of the main clip over here. So this was about a short duration. To see the duration, just do Control D. Then you can see the duration over here. It's of 11 seconds. And if you wanted to see the duration over here, select the clip and then again do the Control D. You can see it's same 11 seconds. This 11-second clip is overwritten the clip in the timeline. I'm going to overwrite again. I'm going to select the playhead over here and selecting this clip, I'm going to press D. So the clip got overwritten on the top of this clip. So this clip is divided now. This was a one clip, but now divided because there was a break due to the override function. And one thing that you have to keep in mind is when you do the override function, the overall duration of your project remains same. So your overall project duration, suppose it is of 15 minutes. If you do the override function, it will remain as 15. That's a key point. Now we will see how we are going to do the replacement. It's almost same, but one difference. That difference we are going to see. I'm going to do Command C so I get everything back to normal. Now I am going to do the replacement. So I have a clip over here. What I need to do is I just need to hold the clip and then drag and drop it over the top of the clip where I wanted to replace. So you see that there are two things which you can notice now. One is the plus symbol with a green circle and a white background or a border line which appears on the top of the clip, the target clip. So then I need to release my mouse and then I got different options. There are 5 replacing options over here. I'm going to do the first replace. Let's see what's going to happen. I just clicked on it and the clip completely got replaced. You see that the selected clip was completely replaced with the 11-second clip. The earlier clip was about 1 minute. Now that 1 minute is cut shortened and that is completely deleted with the source clip of 11 seconds. And the thing which you have to notice is the overall duration of your project changes in replace. But in override function, it was not changing. That's a key difference between override and replace. But if you don't want it to change your project overall duration, there is a function in replace. I'll show you that. This is of 11 seconds as we said. You can see the duration here by pressing Ctrl D, and this one if you do Ctrl D you can see that this is of 1 minute and 16 seconds. So there is a big difference. But if you wanted to keep this 1 minute 16 seconds with this clip, you can do that. There is a function. You just drag and drop it and then there is an option here. So it says read time to fit with the target clip's duration. So if I do this, you see the overall project timeline is not changed, but you see that there is an orange line on the top of this clip, which means it made sure that this clip is stretched to get 1 minute 16 seconds. So it's almost like a slow motion picture now. You see the difference. See, everything is in slow motion. You see the movement, it's all slow motion. So it automatically stretched the clip to obtain 1 minute 16 seconds. So that's the difference. So we have learned two things, overwrite and replace. So please practice these different options. If you have any questions, please get back to us. Thank you so much.